What's up there, Sports Car World? Cody here again with Card Attractions, and once again we are ripping. Got some more baseball, some blasters here, some 2020 Top Series 2. Looking for the Luis Robert medallion. I really don't need it, or any of the short prints. Don't need any regular cards up because I got a ton of them already. So I will keep ripping this Topps till I find what I need. Alright, there's one box. And there's box number 2. We got Freddie Freeman. Freddie Freeman is our first medallion card. Alright. Not really too fond of this series, but there's certain cards I'm still looking for in it. TJ Zeuch, rookie. Paul DeJong, Jonathan Hernandez, rookie. And Jack Mayfield, rookie. I'd like to get a Luis Robert gold card too. That would be nice. Alright. And that's old Vladimir Guerrero Sr. Hang on to that. And we got Albert Pujols. It'd be really nice to pull a short print of Luis Robert, that's for sure. Mike Minor. Luis Reyes, nice card there. Hunter Harvey. Justin Verlander, not numbered. Warriors of the Diamond. We got Schmidt. Mike Schmidt. Alright, let's see. Will Smith. Lamont Wade Jr. rookie. What we got here? Solak, Nick Solak. Very nice. Turkey Red Hollow. Chrome, I guess. It's very nice. And we got one of our Tatis inserts. Mauricio Dubon. Alright. I do got 2 more blasters. I'll probably get around to tomorrow of this. Alright, let's see. Jose Abreu. Another good player there. Brandon Lau. That's a cool card. Very nice. Reggie Jackson. Jake Fraley. Very nice. Luis Reyes again. Nice Justin Dunn there, rookie. Byron Buxton. Playing no good too. Chad Wallace. Rookie. We got Jordan Alvarez and Pete Alonso. Very nice. Elvis Andrus. So, don't know too much about him. And then we got Danny Jansen and Spencer Turnbull. All right. I got a lot of these cards that I don't know what to do with. There's too many of them. Kyle Tucker, nice. Eddie Rosario, a good one. That is numbered 1/87 out of 299 there. Trey Mancini, all black. 35th anniversary Topps card there, very nice. Got another Tatis insert. Patrick Corbin, yep. Jose Ramirez. All right. Hoskins, Simeon, Sutter, Josh Donaldson, Brock Burke, rookie, Willie Castro, rookie, Sandgard, Alex Cobb, little fracture there, whatever, Robin Yount, Dom Nunez, rookie, and Ivan Nola, or Nova. All right, next medallion ticket here, and it's a Pete Alonso. Which we got Pete Alonso and Freddie Freeman for our medallion coins. Ozzy Albies, nice. George Soler, another one playing real good. And there's another Luis Robert. I already got like 10 of them. I'll hang on to it though. Cole Tucker. JD Martinez, home run challenge. Trevor Story. Nothing big there. Well, we got a Luis Robert, not the one I'm looking for, but Sheldon Neuse, rookie. Josh Stalmont, rookie. Yu Chang, rookie. Dale Murphy, all-star. Ryu. Tom Esselman. Alright. Let's see what we get out of here. And we got Ryan O'Hearn. Knapp. Josh Hader. Jump Means. Kansas City Royals. Howie Kendrick. Tatis again, insert. Michael Conforto. Keen Wong. I probably pulled all these cards like 10 times. Most of them anyways. Scoop. Roberto Clemente. And then we got Albies and Acuna. I can't believe I'm through 2 blasts already and have not pulled 1 short print. Ryan McBroom, rookie card there. Hey, very nice. Will Clark. We'll go to my PC. Got JD Martinez. No, Edgar Martinez. Awesome. Alright, guys. Last 2 packs here. If you guys got any comments, leave them in the box. Tell me what you think about these series too. Like I said, I'm not really too fond of them. I'm just really looking for certain cards. Garrett Stubbs. I ain't got no real big hits out of here. I guess I got Luis Robert, Trey Mancini, and Will Clark, so big enough. That's really about it. Randy Dobnak, rookie. We got another Trey Mancini with the white, very nice. Another Tatis insert. Brock Burke. Alright, last pack here, guys. 2020 Top Series 2. I believe we're going to break some Diamond Kings next, 2020. Robert Duger, rookie. Domingo Libra, rookie. Danny Mendick, rookie. Got a gold border here. Manny Pena. Ryan Zimmerman. And Bundy and Suarez. So that is it, guys. It does complete our break today. We got these 2 medallion coins. Pete Alonso, Freddie Freeman. What the ones I was looking for. Did pick those up though. Best cards I believe out of this bundle is going to be the. I just put that over there for that. Well, Will Clark. He's one of my favorite players growing up. So it's a very nice card to him. This Trey Mancini 35th anniversary Topps card, numbered on there as well. We got number 197 or 187 of 299. So it's a very nice card. And then last but not least, we did get a Luis Robert, but not the one I needed. However, it is Luis Robert. So there you go. If you guys got comments, leave them in the box. I do appreciate you guys watching the channel. Thanks a lot. Make sure you do hit that like button. If you are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Thanks, guys. Stay tuned. I'll be keep on ripping. Have a good night.